Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hi everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. I'm Joanne and I'm the host of the Doggo Bake Show. In this show, I teach you how to sculpt very simple dog breeds with polymer clay. The steps and the methods that we use here in the show are very simplified that everybody can definitely follow along. Or if you prefer reading materials, we have books. I wrote books for you as well. Everything that I teach in the Doggo Bake Show actually came from these books, which I also created. I encourage you to find these books online and purchase them so that you'll have a lot of projects to create with your family and friends. Today is October 1st. Here in America, it's National Black Dog Day, which is perfect because I will teach you how to create a Cane Corso today. Today's episode is Cane Corso, the Muscle Man.
Giving away fresh eggs! Grab it while it lasts! Brown and white eggs, all for free! Ugh, I'm running out of breath.
Oh, free food!
Hey Cane, want some eggs? Would you like them? I don't want them to go to waste.
I'll definitely take it. How many pieces can I take?
The whole bucket.
Oh my goodness, I'm taking it now!
Cane? Oh no, you're dropping the eggs! Cane, come back!
Husky Kai gave me some eggs today. I can't cook these in the toaster oven. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do with the eggs. Yeah. Wow, yes. I saw a YouTube video showing that this is good for your skin. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Tomorrow I'm going to look so great. I'm going to look so great with this. So it's just you and I today because all the dogs are at the Doggo Bake Farmers Market. How about I sculpt a Cane Corso dog breed for you today? I think we will do that. Are you ready? Let's go! Preparation: polymer clay, gold, black, and white, toothpicks, brush and baby oil, any tool with a rounded tip, Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Cane Corso tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake book too. What do you think about the Cane Corso sculpture today? Very, very easy. One of the easiest dog I've ever sculpted and I've ever taught here in the Doggo Bake Show. It's pure black with some white spots on the chest, of course. The important feature of a Cane Corso is actually the ears. A lot of times the pet owners of the Cane Corso actually make their ears cropped and they're so small, actually the inside of the ears are already exposed. It definitely makes the dog really look scary. The face is already scary. That's it, Cane Corso dog breed. Again, please remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake books, okay? You can purchase them online. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell on the right side if you want to be notified or you want to follow my future videos that I will release in the future. See you again next Friday for another dog.
Rifa!